Welcome back to Low Stress Math. We are reviewing for the test, and the first review is going to be reflection over a line. I know we did reflection over a point, but it's not on the test, so I'm not reviewing that with you. All right. When a point is reflected over a line, the segment connecting the pre-image and the image is perpendicular to the line of reflection, and it's bisected by the line of reflection. What do you mean by that, Bono? Those are some crazy big words. All right, so we are going to start by reflecting over the y-axis. And here's the y-axis, the one that goes up and down. It would help if I had a, yeah. All right. So remember how we count to the line and then count on the other side? That's what I mean by it's there's a line segment connecting this point to its image. So in other words, here, let's start with A. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the line, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces on the other side to A prime. So there is a line, which if I had a ruler I could draw. Yeah, you did, Bono. Here we go. There's a line that connects these 2 points. And it's perpendicular. Perpendicular, remember perpendicular means at a right angle? So this line is perpendicular to the line of reflection. In other words, it meets the line of reflection at a right angle. But also, this is 7 spaces, and this is 7 spaces. So there's actually 14 spaces between A and A prime, and both of them, 7 spaces, there's an S on those words, both of them are the same distance to the line of reflection. So basically, the line of reflection bisects this line segment A to A prime. Let's try the next one. Let's do B to B prime. Here's B, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces to B prime on the other side. And there's already a line there. So it's the same distance to the line of reflection. That's what bisector means. And obviously it's already a perpendicular line because it's part of the axis. D is over here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the opposite side, and that'll give me D prime. So here, I'm saying spaces, sometimes I'll say boxes, you know me. I'll just keep saying stuff. Here we go. And this one is 4 boxes, and this one is 4 boxes. And again, it meets at the line of reflection at a right angle. But what about C? Well, C and C prime are the same point because it's on the line of reflection. All right, let's write some, good one, Bono. Let's write down where the points are. So this one is at 7, 1, 2, 3. So this is at 7, 3. And this point, A prime, is at negative 7, 3. And B is at 5, 0, because it's on the x-axis, and B prime is at negative 5, 0. D, it was negative to start with, negative 4, negative 2, and the new D prime is at positive 4, negative 2. And C is still on the line, so it's at negative 3, 0, and it stays at negative 3, 0. So let's come over here and organize all those thoughts in one nice little chart. So A was at 7, 3, and it went to A prime at negative 7, 3. B was at 5, 0, became negative 5, 0. C is the one that didn't move, remember, because it's on the line of reflection. It's at negative 3, 0, and it stays at that is not right. It said 0, -3. Oh my goodness gracious me, I would have given you very bad information there. Bad Bono. Fix that. 0, -3. And it stays at 0, -3. And D, which was negatives to start with, -4, -2, goes to +4, -2. So what's the rule? Look at it. Well, the X changed signs. Now remember that changing signs does not make it negative, because in this very last one it was negative and now it's positive. So changing the sign is negate. It's multiplying by -1. So XY, you're going to negate the X and keep the Y. So let's write that in words. Negate the X and keep the Y. So we change the sign of the X and keep the Y. As a matter of fact, I think I'm just going to put a little star up here and write change the sign of the X. And keep the Y. Now, when we come down, oh, did you notice that I didn't connect those points? Because it didn't tell me those points were shapes. I connected them to their image. I connected the pre-image to the image. I connected the original point to the new point, but I didn't connect them to each other. So don't connect them. It's not a shape. They're not supposed to be connected. They're just points. Remember, we talked about this. Be careful. All right, now I'm going to reflect over the x-axis. So let's highlight the x-axis so we know what we're reflecting over. And we'll put a nice X next to the x-axis. Put a boop. And now we'll do just what we did before. 1, 2, 3 to the line of reflection, and 1, 2, 3 to A prime on the opposite side. And B's on the line of reflection, so you don't change it. C is 1, 2, 3 to the line of reflection, so it's 1, 2, 3 to the opposite side. D is 2 boxes to the line of reflection, so it's 2 boxes on the opposite side for D prime. All right, now the original points are all the same as they were above, but let's write the coordinates for the new points. So the new A prime is at 3, -3. Oh, wait, I lie. 7, -3. And B's on the line of reflection, so it does not move. C prime is at 0, 3, and D prime is at -4, +2. So the original points stayed the same. So 7, 3, 5, 0, 0, -3, and -4, -2. And the new points were the ones we just wrote down. So A, which was at 7, 3, became A prime at 7, -3. B didn't move because it's on the line of reflection, so it keeps its point at 5, 0. C, which is 0, -3, became 0, +3. It changes sign. Remember, negate means change. It does not mean make negative. And -4, -2 became -4, +2. And if we go back and look at those, you can see we kept the X and we negated the Y. So, negate the X, negate the Y, and keep the X. And do not connect the points. These are not shapes. Be careful. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.